Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change iCloud email without losing anything. Changing your iCloud email address without losing any data on Windows is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. First is to determine your current iCloud email setup. Apple ID and iCloud. Your iCloud email is tied to your Apple ID, so changing the email means changing the Apple ID email address. Data stored in iCloud. Ensure your important data, for example, photos, contacts, files, is backed up in iCloud. You won't lose this data as long as you sign back into iCloud with the updated Apple ID. Now, before changing your iCloud email, back up your data first by double check that all your important data is synced with iCloud. If anything isn't synced, upload it manually. You can verify by logging into the iCloud and reviewing the contents. Now, let's change your Apple ID email on web browser. Go to Apple's Manage Apple ID websites. On your Windows PC, open a web browser and visit the Apple account, link in the description below. Sign in with your current Apple ID. Now, let's change your Apple ID email. Once logged in, under the Sign In and Security section, click Email and Phone Numbers. Now, under the email address, click the minus button. It is set as the primary email. And here, add your new email address. Then click on the Change Primary Email. Now, you have to enter the password on your previous email address. Then hit Continue once you've entered it. Then hit OK. By following these steps, you can change your iCloud email address on your Windows PC without losing any data. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.